Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
We're Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking.
So today's topic is a little different than what most people talk about. Typically, it's about how to choose the right remodeler. That's a fairly standard subject, but what we're going to talk about today is how do we choose the right client?
A little switcheroony.
Switcheroony. So we actually have some kind of bullet points that we look for when we're choosing the right client.
Yes, and so when we get a phone call, an inquiry, it could be a referral, anything, we go through a series of questions, and the reason we do that is because as much as you're interviewing us for the right remodeler for your project, we're interviewing you as well. So we want to make sure that it's a good fit and a good gel all the way around. So the first thing that we would look for is a homeowner who does not want to use their own people. We love our trades, we trust our trades, they all carry general liability, so we've had long-standing relationship with them. We won't use any other electricians, plumbers, painters, anybody that the homeowner wants to bring in on the project. We bring in our own people.
There's the most simplest thing is liability. We don't want to take on that liability, and we know what kind of work our guys do, and they work in conjunction with the other trades that we have because everyone's worked together for so long, it makes the process go a lot smoother. Another thing that we also encourage our clients to do is go ahead and shop around, look for other remodelers. It's very simple. You need to see that there is a difference between each company you will interview, and you got to see if you gel, if you get along, because that right there is an extremely important part of us choosing the right client.
And we do love clients who are perfectionists. We're perfectionists. We do love clients who are very specific in the certain things that they need, and they can express all of those different things. We actually really
it works out better for us.
Like that.
That way we're all looking for the same thing. Really, the next thing is trust, right? Oh. We have to trust each other. We're trusting you to, at the most simplest form, live up to your end of the bargain with a contract, with payments due. But you have to trust us to do the work properly as we've promised to do it. So trust is such a huge thing.
It covers a lot of different things too.
It does.
The trust part of it. So if we're going to take on that job, we need to get a feel for that client, that perfect client, and know that there is a mutual trust from the very, very beginning, and then that carries through the project.
So that's some of actually how we interview clients just as much as you, the client, interviews remodelers.
Yeah. And so hopefully you learn something different with Remodel Your Thinking, because that's what Remodel Your Thinking is all about. So you can get some good nuggets of information about the world that we live in every single day, our world of remodeling.
Yes.
So we hope that you learned something.
I think you did. Thanks for joining us, and follow us on all that stuff that I really don't know about, but Molly does.
YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
I just figured out how to turn
Twitter,
a flashlight on the phone. So.
Yes, we're all over that. So anyways, thanks so much, and we'll see you next time on Remodel Your Thinking.
Bye-bye.